After you register to become a member at Macrograph, when you log in again, there'll be a new tab called Create Graph. Click on that and you'll see the interface with all the drop downs to create a graph. In this example, let's look at crude oil. The begin date shows you how far the day to go back. The period tells you can do a day, week, month, quarter, or even custom profiles. The start time will start when Europe opens at 2 a.m. and we'll finish watching the markets when New York closes. We'll show a summary profile. Let's click on the show value areas, and the number of profiles we want to look at is 8. You hit create chart and here it pops. So we have our 8 profiles on the left of the chart. We have our composite or summary profile on the right. Underneath the chart is the color codes for each day of the week, and under that you'll see we have a spreadsheet or database that you can export, and that tells you what the point of control or high volume price was. It also tells you how much time was spent at that price. That's what TAP stands for, time at price. You have value area high, value area low, which is the standard deviation of volume. You have the total range of that week. The open, high, low, close are noted as well. We also, down at the bottom of the chart, show the median values of all the information within the chart. Just remember that crude oil here moves about $5 a week. Now we can click to enlarge the chart here to get a better look, and you can see when you move the cursor there's a line that follows your cursor that will allow you to sort of narrow your focus and really focus on a couple levels that might make a difference to you. Also, we can toggle a box here. Remember, we said $5 is an average week range for crude oil, so we could take this box, size it up to the length of about $5, and then we're going to move that. Let's say we'll put it up against the high volume price from the previous week and say, listen, if we just have an average move away from the fair price in crude oil this week, then it ought to bottom out somewhere around the 44 area. It's a nice little tool to help you set up your parameters. You can also right-click on the charts and save them, and then open them up in a folder of your choice. And what I like to do is I'll look at my charts in a Paint Shop Pro, or most computers have their own paint program under accessories. Now if we want to just change the chart again here, let's look at a monthly chart. We won't show the summary profiles here. We'll create it. You should know that the more data you ask for, the longer it's going to take for the chart to generate, but believe me, it's worth the wait. And here you go, you've got your 7 monthly profiles. Now you can see that each week of the month is shaded a different color, and note that Monday and the week 1 are the same color, Tuesday and week 2 are the same color, Wednesday and week 3 are the same color, so there's consistency in that. Now another type of chart you can do is you can make your own custom bell curves. And in this example, we're making 3-day bell curves. Sometimes that's good if you're making automated strategies, things like that, and you want to try different time frames that are not just day, week, month, and quarter. You can make your own bell curves on any given time frame that makes you comfortable. Here we're looking at a saved chart that I made. You can see the notations that I've made on it. I use the newsletters often. I'll write down the notations on where I think a good support or resistance level is. Sometimes I'll write in how much I expect the market to move over a given time frame. It's a versatile tool and one you should enjoy using. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, John Seguin at macrograph.com. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you in the classroom.